Don't do these in front of your kids because they get a fright. Hi, I'm Amy and this is my Mecca skin. I'm a busy mum of two, so I don't get a full night's sleep most nights. So my biggest skin concerns are dullness and also being over 35, fine lines and wrinkles. So my skincare routine for me is a really important part of my day. It's my time out from the kids. It's a little bit of self-care and me time in the bathroom. The first thing I do is tie my hair up out of my face. My first step is the SOMERVILLE EXFOLIKATE cleanser. And it goes all over my face. And then just a face washer. What I love about this is that it doesn't tighten my skin. It leaves it feeling really refreshed and it takes all my makeup off in one go. So this is my skin. Usually I have probably a little bit more redness, but today it's actually looking pretty nice. I could go outside with no makeup, I'd be pretty happy. Next up I use the EVE face and neck sheet mask. This is like luxury to me. I love that this is kind of creamy. So face on face. This is like a skin boost and a mood boost for me. If I've had a bad day or a rough day with kids, putting one of these on is like amazing. So I leave this on for about 15 minutes and have a bit of chill out time. Okay, so I take off my mask. All that yummy cream I rub into my skin, because who wants to waste all that goodness? So I rub that all in. Next up is my eye cream. I probably started using an eye cream when I had my first child because my eyes just always look tired. And this is my favorite, Dr. Dennis Gross Hyaluronic Marine Do It Right Eye Gel. It's quite lightweight, but it still feels really hydrating. So I take just one little squirt and then I use middle fingers, because someone once told me you should always use these fingers because they're more gentle around your eyes. And then I just dab all under my eye, and then I like to go on my eyelid as well because no one wants droopy eyelids. My little trick is to keep this in the fridge, so when you put it on it's really cooling. It helps with puffiness. My skincare from my 20s to my 30s has changed a lot. I wouldn't have used an eye cream in my 20s. I probably would have gone out and skipped doing my skincare regime at night if I'd had a big night, but now I would never miss taking off my makeup and doing all my skincare routine. So next up I use the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula oil. So I take about 3 drops to the palm of my hand and then I just rub together and then I just press this into my skin. And it doesn't leave your skin feeling like super oily, it's just quite light. Since I've been using this, my redness in the morning has really improved. The next step is my moisturizer, and I switch between these two. So there's the PERRICONE Face Finishing Moisturizer or the SOMERVILLE Retinol Vitamin C Moisturizer. I'm going to use the Retinol Vitamin C Moisturizer. This one is really good for fine lines and wrinkles, and I feel like when I wake up my skin is a lot plumper. Retinol has become my best friend since hitting my mid-30s. So just rub into my fingers and then I apply all over my face. This feels super hydrating. Next up I use the BURKI Vital Hydration Blast. I use this probably twice a week, so I just probably take about that much. This one you can leave on for 20 minutes and take it off, but I like to leave it on overnight. And you don't really have to rub it in completely, it'll just soak in. And the last step in my skincare is one that I've just discovered recently, is the TATCHA KISSU lip mask. I started biting my lips about 10 years ago. I've used every balm on my lips, but this one is by far the best. So I just take a little bit on the spoon and all over. I use quite a lot because it feels so good. I feel like I've achieved something that I've done my skincare routine. My skin feels amazing, super relaxed, super hydrated. Thanks for watching.